would think this was a rock star's bedroom, the way we're getting on. You get the beds on me before we go. This is it, big lad. The trip is officially over.
Yeah.
Time to get back to normality, big lad.
Thank God, I'm tired.
Oh, time to check out this. This is the sad part of the day. You have to leave now. I don't want to go home now. So sad to leave. Guys, ever get a chance to stay here in Canning Town, Holiday Express, or Holiday Inn Express, please do. But look, we're leaving to go home to a crappy weather. Come and stay for another week. Yeah? Book another flight and stay for another week. So sad to leave and go home. On a beautiful day as well. So sad to go home. Well, good morning, guys. It is sad to go home. But unfortunately, this is the time of the trip which sucks. You have to go home back to normality for another while. But I'm on my travels again next week, which I'm looking forward to. Off to Blackpool next week. Myself, yes. But anyway, yes, guys, good morning. It is now officially Tuesday morning. I'm about to head to the airport shortly and fly back home to jolly old Northern Ireland. So sad. But I've just recently posted a video there which contained a special video that we recorded while we were in Hammersmith, but I also recorded another vlog yesterday as well, which will be up after this one. But anyway, yes, good morning, guys. It's so sad to finally go home. Oh, I think that's my taxi home. Oh dear, the joys. Right, let's get going. He's in there getting himself some juice and water, whatever else is for it's a warm day here. I need a beer, and even though it's only what, 11:30 in the morning, I need a beer. It's a morning for a beer. I know it probably sounds terrible to things that way, but here ho. Right, let's roll. Time, next stop, airport. Just arrived in Stratford. There it is, there's the Stratford Centre. Want to go for a bit, kill a bit of time, sit down for a wee bit and rest our feet. Yes, guys, here, look at that train that's behind you. Apart from some arseholes of graffitied all over it, like, but it looks lovely. Look at that. Unbelievable. Right, we're going to the Stratford Centre then. This place is massive. We really have found some really unique places on this trip, haven't we?
Last time we were here 2 years ago because of...
but just literally through the train station, on the train and away. Straight on the train and away. We never come out here or nothing.
3 years ago now it was.
Yeah, but we never come out here. We had a look around, so... Right, we'll go in here and get a wee coffee, more than anything. But here, look at these here. Aren't these different, Liz? Look at that. Guys, we've just been in the Trafford Centre there, and we've just done a wee vlog for inside. It's now available on the channel if you want to go and check it out. But look, it's starting to rain for the first time in God knows how long. Just sitting here with a nice wee cuppa, doing a bit of people watching before we head off for the bus to the airport. But yes, it has been a fun time in the Trafford Centre. So much to do in there, guys. I vlogged as much as I could. But we're just sitting here doing a bit of people watching, and then we're going to head over just back over here again to get the bus to the airport. You know something, I'm actually glad to see a bit of rain, to be honest with you, because it's been so hot the last few days. It still is warm, but I'm just glad to see a bit of rain to sort of cool down a little bit. But anyway, check out the vlog, guys, from the Trafford Centre. It's now available on the channel. You happy to get home now? Are you? What do you think of Westfield Centre in there? Guys, I just done another 2 vlogs today in there. The Stratford Centre, wasn't it? Stratford, and the Westfield Centre. Them vlogs are now on the channel right now if you want to go and watch them. We're now heading home finally. But here, just the guy was telling me there, just behind the building over here at the far side, just over here. Not too far from around the corner there is West Ham United's football ground. We saw as we were walking in right through the shopping centre. Looking forward to getting home, back to normality. Go and check out all his videos on this channel as well, guys. They are available. All of Lewis's videos. I think he's editing right now, actually. He's been editing loads. Sitting sometimes to 3 and 4 in the morning to edit videos, haven't you? Downstairs in the hotel lobby, editing videos 3 or 4 in the morning. I don't know how you've done it and how you've kept awake. I don't know how he's done it. I really don't. But his videos are doing really well, aren't they? Super well, actually. His wrestling ones have been doing absolutely excellent. So fair play to him. Proud of you, Sonny Jim. Your wee channel's doing well. You need to get to 1,000 subscribers now, don't you? To get yourself monetized. All these views. Just making the videos. He's passionate about making the videos. He is passionate. He's editing now. He's mustard. Right, let's go. Next stop, Stansted Airport. Time to go home. Finally here. Right, let's get through security. Let's get checked in. Grab a coffee. I remember the last time we went here, Lewis, it was chaos. All the flights were cancelled and we ended up having to spend an extra night here. What? I know. It's the security at London Stansted can be a fucking nightmare at the best of times, so it can be. Come on, let's bite the bullet and get through. Nope, time to go. This place is so busy. Right, young man, ready to roll? Let's go. Finally boarding at last. Oh, home sweet home. Can't beat it. The next day now, guys, and we've been home for almost a full day now. And what a time we had in London. What an amazing time. We had a good laugh. We had plenty of fun. We had plenty of laughs. Recorded loads of videos, as you saw over the last few days. But we've been putting as many videos as we can. Got some more clips we're going to show you over the next couple of days. It's just been one of those weeks. We just had a great time. We also had our arguments as well, me and him. We had our debates over different things. We had our arguments, typical men falling out over stupid things. And then the next minute we're sitting laughing with each other. But, no, it was fun. We had an absolute ball in Glasgow and London. And definitely it was one trip we will always remember. As we have done the last 2 or 3 years, but the last 3 years, it'll be a third year in a row now we've been to London for AEW. And we're heading back next year. So it's going to be more fun next year. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please drop a like in this video and also hit subscribe below. If you haven't checked all the other vlogs out from Glasgow and from London, and there's still a few more wee bits and bobs still that I've recorded, I haven't put it on the channel yet. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel right now. Go and check out all the previous videos. I had a great time. Lewis told me this morning he had an amazing time. Best part for me was probably, well, I went to see the Rick Mell Memorial Bench, but it's done a special tribute video on that. It's on the channel right now. If you ever watched Rick Mell when he was alive, the comedian, the actor, the complete icon, I call him, legend. I went to see his memorial bench in Hammersmith. Go and check out the video tonight on the channel, as well as another video from Hammersmith too. We just had an absolutely amazing time away, and the weather was incredible, especially the last day. 27 degrees. You know the colour me now, I'm pure brown. You got another haircut too. But anyway, I'm going to go here now, guys. I hope you enjoy this one. I'm going to start another vlog today. I'm heading out here now to do a bit of shopping. Lewis is away to catch up with his friends and whatnot. So, oh, what a few days it's been. I had a good sleep last night, which I needed. Really needed a good night's sleep, and I finally had one. But anyway, until the next one, guys. Oh, see you all soon. Thanks for watching.